All right, guys, we're going to be putting on these seatbelt protectors here. Nice little carbon fiber look. So what happens sometimes is when your seatbelt is on and it's around your neck, this part scrapes up against your neck and, it causes irritation or whatever. So with this on here, this will be sort of a protector, and it also adds a little bit of custom look to it, a little bit of style. So we're going to put these babies on and see how they look. Pretty good. Just adds a nice little custom touch to it. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to purchase on Amazon. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We got more great content on the way. I will see you guys in the next video. Alex RT Life signing off.